Guys, we actually just got the copycat Carson on.
Yeah.
He's live in London.
Yeah, and guess what?
We said hi. Or no, he said hi first. We said hi, like always, since we're nice. He said lockdown, since we were practicing. No. Call me. And we said no. Or we said H. I don't know why. He said thumbs up. We said this. He's like, fake. And he called us a copycat. So we were showing that we were mad at him. He said fake again.
Yeah, and guys,
I'm going to tell him.
Guys, we're about to say we are never calling him again. We're saying
I will. This is real.
And are you saying you're never gonna?
Not.
I'm never gonna call you again.
Yeah. Not going.
Go.
To call you. Guys, I'm never gonna call him. Look, I even said it. I will not going to call you. He's Carson with that face. We're the blue. We sent this, and he called us fakers. He's a fake, guys. Why is he live in London, though?
I'm gonna tell him we have Ninja Turtle toys and you don't. Actually, tell him he's a bully and we hate you so much.
He just texted us.
What
He
did he
said,
say?
call me. And we just said we're not going to call him ever again.
We're never gonna
And
call
he
him.
said, call me.
Tell him we're never gonna call you again only if you be nice to us.
We're going to show him another picture, how mad we are.
Tell him only if you be nice to us, we will call you.
Yeah. I'm not going to show. That was not us, guys. We're so mad. He's going to be exposed. I hate that guy. He is so rude. Here, we sent him another picture.
Hey, Aiden.
What will he say to this?
Tell him we hate you so much.
He just said fake. He said fake to us again. That's the second time now, or the third time now. Are we ever going to get him to believe us and be our friends?
Tell him we're gonna throw a brick at your head if you don't be nice to us.
I said that.
Hey, Aiden, say we're gonna
Get
throw
down.
a brick. Say you're gonna throw a brick at my head if you keep on being mean. Throw a brick at his head, okay? Type in if you be mean one more time, you get smacked with a brick on your head, okay? Okay, Aiden?
Okay.
Okay. Got it.
I forgot.
Oh, got it. Got it. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, he just said we suck. He said you suck to me.
Then tell him
We are exposing him in the
Then-
next video.
then-
I gotta go put my
Then
socks
tell
on.
him we're gonna rip your head off if you don't be nice to us.
He's literally so mean.
Tell him if you don't be nice to us one more time, I'm gonna rip your head off. Carson will rip your head off. Type Carson will rip your head off.
I did.
if you
That's what
don't-
that says. Guys, we're gonna leave. I am so mad now.
Me too.
Why does he not think we're real? I hate this guy.